So the Creative Technologies Lab is one of 3 labs in Adobe Research, and all of Adobe Research is really focused on creating the magic for all of Adobe's products. So some examples of things you probably have heard about that have come about out of CTL are things like content aware fill in Photoshop and everything that's come out around content aware fill, content aware crop and scaling and things like that. From a research perspective, open source is really great for a number of reasons. One, it simply makes collaboration really easy. When everything is open from the very beginning, it's easy to bring a new person onto the project at any time. It's easy to get, informal or formal feedback from anybody else out in the world. Another thing that kind of goes hand in hand with that is that it really makes the intentions of all the parties clear. What we're here to do is to create really great technology together. It's also really helpful for recruiting new people that we've never interacted with before because, when you're reaching out to them, you can show them these cool projects that they might be interested in. You can have deep discussions about the projects because all of it's open. You can say, hey, look at this neat technical aspect of this larger project. Dive deep into it. Let's talk about it together. That's the kind of stuff we create at Adobe. One of the open source projects and research projects that I've been very directly involved in is a project called Para. I met Jennifer Jacobs, who was then and is still a student at the MIT Media Lab. And we started kicking around ideas of interesting things we could do in that space. And in short, Project Para was born. We began the project from the very beginning as open source, which proved to be really, really valuable because it was an easy way for her to keep working on the project when she left. It was an easy way for her to evangelize her project first in academic communities. In most research projects, what makes them great is the collaboration that's happening. And it's simply the case that there's no simpler tool and no better tool to support collaboration than open source. It's the easiest way to get all those things done and to focus on creating great stuff.